Cold start time. Choke it. So I'm here in the backyard with the mowers, and there's been some wheel mix-ups. That's off the back of the poulon. That silver wheel, that should be yellow if it's going to be on the deer. This wheel's actually right. That's a John Deere wheel on the back of the poulon. That's a Murray front wheel on the cart. I've got to make the decision now. That back wheel there is warped. We bent it. I've got this wheel. I don't know if I want to put the duals on the deer or the duals back on the poulon. Go ahead and leave me a comment right now. Based on the comments, I'll either paint it this color or I'll paint it John Deere yellow. We'll put duals back on the deer. Dual deer sounds good. Or poulon with the duals. I'll let you decide. So my rusty wheel is looking better already. Won't be long, we'll have some paint on it. Well, I gotta do primer. It's getting pretty late. It's way after dark, but I'm having a brainstorm. What if I put a rear end up here? I think it's a 3-speed. Put a wheel on each side. That will be another wheel winch. Not like the deer's wheel winch. Like a real winch with 2 spools. I would have to do a little bit of a lift kit, maybe 2 more inches in the front. Run a pulley. What used to drive the deck would now drive the rear end. Let me know if you think that's worth pursuing. I already know what I'm thinking. And maybe tomorrow I can jack up the back. If the front's going to be higher, the back's going to be way too low. It'll be way too squatty. And I think it's about time to go for a night ride without the wheel winch. So the boy on his channel, he has swapped front axles again. This is back to the stock Murray. He had a Troy belt flipped upside down. It was slammed super low. And he's going to take the push mower engine off and put the 12.5 horse off the homemade boat motor on. I'll let you know as soon as he gets a video out. And the ride is over before 10. Alright guys, it is comment time. Here's my cleaned up wheel. I've got my paint thinner ready. I've got my primer. If you want the deer to be dualed again, dually deer, I've got my John Deere yellow. Or if you want the pool line to be dualed again, this is sunburst yellow. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.